Hello students, today we will discuss about the formula bar used in Excel 2016. The formula bar displays the cell address and the contents of the current cell. For example, cell A1 is the first cell of each worksheet, like it is highlighted over here. It is cell A1. It is cell A2, A4, A11. So it is on the intersection of column A and column 11. You can see intersection point of column A and row 11. So this is cell A11. Whenever you select any cell in your worksheet, you can see in the formula bar, the first section of formula bar is name box. It is called the name box. Its name will be changed. Like if you select A3, the A3 is written over here. If you select E1, E1 is written over here. It changed its value according to the name of the cell. It's B15, A10, you can see its content is changing. So it is the very first content of your formula bar, the name box. It is the leftmost section. It displays the address of the current cell. The other section is the formula bar buttons. This is called the formula bar buttons. It is a middle section. It appears as a rather nondescript button displaying only an indent circle on the left and the insert function button on the right. It's having insert function button. When you start making or editing a cell entry, the cancel and enter buttons appear between them. Now you can see they are disappeared. You can't press the buttons because they are disabled now. Whenever you try to enter your entry, that is you are writing here something, then these buttons will be appeared. It is cancel button, it is the enter button. So this is the middle section of your formula bar. It is known as the formula bar buttons. The other one is cell contents. This formula bar, this one, this last section of formula bar is the cell contents. Whatever you write in your cell and whatever its value be, it will be displayed on your cell content, this one. Sometimes your cell can't represent the long values, but this cell content can show your all the long values. Like if you write on the D column, that is, okay, now this value is hidden, but you can see its full value on your content bar. Look. So it is all about the formula bar. Now let us discuss what we do in the worksheet area. This whole area in which we do work, the whole sheet, this is called the worksheet area. It is where most of the Excel spreadsheet action takes place because it is the place that displays the cells in different sections of the current worksheet. and it is right inside the cells that you do all your spreadsheet data entry and formatting. To enter or edit data in a cell, that cell must be current. Excel indicates that a cell is current in three ways. If you want to enter your data in column A3, then the cell should be current, like you have to click on this, like this. Three ways are there that you can notice that which cell is current. Number one way is the cell cursor. The dark green border surrounding the cell's entire perimeter appears in the cell. You can see its border is highlighted by the green color, so it is the current cell. If you select this one, then this is the current cell. The other is the address of the cell appears in the name box of the formula. It is G7. If you select this one, this is a current cell, that is I2. This one is C11. You can see the name here. The third option is the cell's column letters and row numbers are shaded in the column headings and row headings that appear at the top and left of the worksheet area. You can see this. If you select E7, then E will be highlighted, and from this your row 7 will be highlighted. So it is another third way to know at which cell you are working. If you select D9, D will be selected from here and 9 will be selected from here. So it was all about how to know the current cell in the Excel sheet. Thank you.